Alright, I got this O2 Banshee that's having some issues with, I think. Goose, what's going on, buddy? Calm down. I'll show the people my Banshee here. Alright, let's see if anybody can tell me what's wrong with this boy. Besides that noise. That doesn't sound... Oh, that's the shield under there. Okay, no big deal with the shield. Alright. Let's see if anybody can tell me what's wrong with this guy. Let's see if I can start it. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but... Besides that, that's so don't worry about that. Also... I don't know if you hear it like that. I don't know if that's supposed to sound like that. That grumbling type of noise in there. Obviously somebody's been in it. I don't know what they did, or if that's like a bearing or something. And obviously the white smoke, is that white or blue smoke coming out of that tail? I swapped the spark plug wire, so I know it's not a misfire. It's still coming out of that right cylinder. So if anybody could tell me, maybe, I'm thinking that's a head gasket, right? It's either head gasket or rings coming out of there. I don't know if that's white smoke or blue smoke. It looks like white smoke, so I'm thinking it's a head gasket, which, no big deal. Koozie, calm down, man. I'm right here. And that grumble, that noise, I don't know if that motor sounds right. I don't know if it's a bearing or whatever. If anybody knows, let me know, please, in the comments. Thanks, I appreciate it. Got that guy right there, needs some work.